Teledyne LeCroy's WaveSurfer 4000HD 12-bit Oscilloscope Series offers high definition with low noise and uncompromised measurement performance. These oscilloscopes are designed with unique HD 4096 technology, providing 12 bits of vertical resolution and bandwidth options ranging from 200 MHz to 1 GHz. The WaveSurfer 4000HD delivers precise measurement results with its high-performance input amplifiers and low-noise system architecture. It comes with a built-in DVM and frequency counter and with over 30 probe options available across 9 categories. Choose from a range of trigger and decode options, power analysis software, and MSO probe options to suit your needs. Experience the benefits of high-resolution technology and 12-bit ADCs at a competitive price. Visit DigiKey.com for more information about the Teledyne LeCroy WaveSurfer 4000HD 12-bit Oscilloscope Series.